Hello, my name is Sam Bobley. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Ocrolus. We're super excited today to be joined by Betsy Cohen. Betsy Cohen joined Ocrolus as an investor in the summer of 2021. She's had an unbelievably legendary career in financial services, and we were super excited to see Forbes feature article on Betsy pretty recently. Excited to jump in and chat with Betsy on a few top of mind questions about fintech. Betsy, welcome.
Thank you, Sam, and I'm delighted to be here with you.
All right, let's get right into it. So, crazy economic climate we're dealing with right now. We're really curious to hear what your take is on what the lending industry is experiencing with rising interest rates.
I think that there will be a slowdown in mortgage origination, certainly in the ReFi area. And so that will impact housing, and all of this is cyclical in the sense that we're going to have to play out this round because the Fed is, I think, determined to get inflation a little bit more under control. And we've seen tremendous growth both in mortgage volumes and in housing. And so there will be a consumer pullback to some extent. The way in which that trickles over into consumer lending on an unsecured basis, we'll yet have to see. But I suspect that replaceable items such as automobiles will continue to find their floor and then begin to resuscitate as people get used to a higher level of interest rate, where instead of 2 seeming like the right number, maybe 4 seems like the right number.
Definitely an adjustment from last year, and it's there's been tons of volatility in the lending markets. Last year, especially in the mortgage space, lenders were rushing to hire temporary staff and work through backlogs. And this year, to your point, refi volumes are down quite significantly. With that in mind, what is your advice about what lending leaders should be doing and thinking about in times of uncertainty and unpredictability?
I think that they have to continue to exercise the discipline that should be inherent in the lending market. It doesn't help either the consumer or the lender to simply look at volumes, but they have to look at quantity. They also have to look at quality, because these loans will be with them if they are not loans that are well structured for a very long period of time, with a lot of downside coming through the system, maybe not tomorrow, but certainly within the next couple of years.
Definitely a shift, and we hope our lender customers will adjust accordingly. Betsy, thank you so much for the time. You're an unbelievable inspiration to both women and men in fintech, and we are really honored to have you a part of our Ocrolus journey here.
We are honored to be part of the Ocrolus journey. We think that you're providing a facility for banking institutions to become more efficient, for lenders to become more efficient, and therefore to focus on the important decisions.
Fantastic. Thank you again.